Klem ke jing le ran, ke jing tieng, boyo don ke jing syak khen po ni ban syapet khmat ha ka im lang sa lang. Weu samla ubla im ha ka Jingpang HIV, ha ka sitare ku nok pra arja arplai ulam mi se khmat ban pla ban siem, bat ban pen pai ke jing yo Jingpang HIV ke jong u, ha ka jing yalang ka bala penlong ha Polo kum kadak pan rakhi ya ka World AIDS Day, ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Uniu samla ha ba ai jingkran ha ka te ke jing yalang halor ke jing yai lan ti jong u laong. Bam Maria yo jing tip bau yo e kani Jingpang ula yat leng ba ka jing dom bat ka jing bam ngai Henry suki da ka jing yarap ki paralok ki bahayeng ula persang ban pediang ya ka jinglong ka bau don bat utau Khniang Jingpang HIV da ka basdang ya ka ART anti retroviral therapy bat kala long ka benta jong ka jing kala ha ka jing im jong u ha ka ba ka kot ka khia kala nang bha bat u virus ula nang duna.
I went through a phase of fear, anger and self-blame. But slowly with the help of my family, friends, I learned to accept my condition. Starting my ART was a turning point of my life. I was relieved to see my health improve and my viral load decrease and the CD4 increase.
Nang ta ulo ong ba ka Jingpang HIV kambatay ka jinglong jong u kumta don kamban kran namar ka ni ka Jingpang kala pundo bon ki paralok bat ban syam si bon ka jing penya pher na ki brio ka ba umut kin sngo thu yu u henrai u ong bo skutanat bo syam pat ya ka jing don ka kun hon ka ba kersan ya ki brio ki ba em bat u HIV.
I realized that HIV doesn't define me. It was just a part of who I am. Disclosure was a significant challenge. I lost some friends and faced discrimination from people I thought would be understanding. But I also found a community supportive individual who were living with HIV, that is the MSNB+. These connections were a source of my strength. I have been an advocate of HIV, awareness and education.
Nalor kata ulo ong baka jinglong jong u ban ya thu sa phang ka jing im jong u ha ka ren san pai pa ka dei bo kwa ban pendu e ka dak jing pen bot nam ka jing mot bakla halor uniu virus shu ulo ong kam long ka basok pan im bat Khniang Jingpang HIV Henry ka nepan ka pen hikai u ban im thamai biang ban priang yalade bat ban smo thu e ka jing koridor ban im ha ka menta.
I share my story to break down stigma, misconception surrounding the virus. It's been empowering to know that I can make a difference and help others who might be facing the similar challenges. Living with HIV is not always easy, but it taught me resilience, self-acceptance, and importance of living in the present. I have come to realize that doesn't stop with HIV diagnosis, and there's so much I can still achieve and enjoy in a life ahead.
Nalor kata ulo ong baka long ka badon kam ban ya dai ki brio ki ba im bat u HIV bakin man baha klam da don kanu ka jing bisar lani ka jing kti bat ban pendo no ya ka dak jing pen bot nam bat ban pediang ya ki bat ka kam ya trailang kan kran kham jam ban ya kanu ka jing tharai bakla.
Today, I want to reflect on a powerful truth. Appearance can be deceived. When it comes to individual living with HIV, it's essential to recognize that their worth, resilience, and humanity remain untouched by the virus. The battle against HIV is not battle against the persons who are living with HIV, but it is a battle against a medical condition. HIV may alter the external narrative, but it cannot diminish the intrinsic value of an individual. We must break free from the misconception that someone's health status defines their character of their capacity to contribute to the society. People living with HIV are not defined by the diagnosis I have said before, They are defined by the strength, courage, and the richness of their internal self. Let us challenge ourselves and others to see beyond the surface by fostering understanding and empathy. We dismantle the barrier the stigma erect. It's our shared responsibility to create a world where everyone, regardless their health, to embrace for who they are within. People living with HIV are not defined by their diagnosis. They are our friends, family, colleagues, and neighbors. It's our responsibility to dispel myths, educate ourselves, and extend a hand of support. By doing so, we actively contribute to a world where journey replace. By understanding and compassion triumph over fear. Let us commit ourselves to create safe space where individuals living with HIV can be thrive without a weight of judgment. Break the stigma, embrace empathy, and let our collective actions speak louder than any misconception.